Hello students, I am Assistant Professor Steffi Salve from Bansangas SM Shetty College of Science, Commerce and Management Studies, Powai, which is affiliated to University of Mumbai. Welcome to the class of 3rd year BMS Marketing Specialization, subject E-commerce and Digital Marketing. Today we are going to understand the topic different types of e-payment systems, which is from the 3rd unit. So let us begin. The conventional method adopted by the consumer is most of the time payment by cash. However, in e-commerce world, the consumer is not always physically available to make cash transaction with the merchant or with the e-tailer. At times, the consumer is even located in a different country. That is the reason why we have to study different types of e-payment modes which are suitable to consumer to make the payment. So let us understand which are the different types of e-payment methods. There are 5 types of e-payment methods. I will first name them and then explain them one by one. Okay, so they are very simple. The first one is credit card, second is debit card, third is smart card, fourth one is e-money or e-wallets. The fifth one is electronic fund transfer. Now, let us understand the first type of payment method, that is credit card. First, I will explain to you what is a credit card and then we will see how it functions. A credit card is used when a consumer does not have the required balance amount in his or her account, but still he wants to make the purchase of goods or services, and he promises to pay to the bank. It is a predetermined amount limit which the consumer cannot exceed. This limit is decided by the bank in agreement with the consumer whenever they issue this credit card to him or her. Now, let us see what is the importance of a credit card in e-payment system. A credit card is a plastic card, okay, and on front side of it, the card holder's name is written along with a unique number that is linked to the customer's bank account. Now, whenever a customer makes the payment through a credit card, he has to enter this unique number for the transaction to happen. And on the back side of the credit card, there is a magnetic strip which contains the bank account details, and it gets automatically credited if he is not paying manually. The second type of payment mode is debit card. A debit card looks similar to a credit card. It is issued by the bank to the consumer when the balance is already owned by the customer. So in this case, the customer doesn't have to pay anything to the bank in the future. Here on the front side, the customer's name and there is a unique number mentioned, and on the back side there is a magnetic strip along with the CVV number and the signature of the consumer. Whenever he or she makes an account from a debit card, it automatically gets debited from a customer's bank account. The third e-payment mode is smart card. Now, the appearance of a smart card is similar to a debit card or a credit card. Additionally, on the front side, there is a small micro essence square shaped chip which is also called as integrated circuit chip. This helps the payment more secure and frauds are eliminated. This chip has a capacity to store consumers' personal information. There are 2 types of smart cards. The first one is contact smart card and the second one is contactless smart card. The contact card has to be inserted inside a card reader, and the contactless cards have to be passed through an antenna to carry out the transaction. This can reach only up to a few inches of distance. Now, the fourth one is e-money or e-wallets or digital cash. These are the mobile applications which are linked to bank accounts. Consumers can store limited money in this account and electronically transfer it for purchasing goods and services. Alternatively, there is an additional feature about this, that they can also send money to their friends or relatives. One of the best examples of this e-wallet or digital cash is Google Pay, or even Paytm. Students are more friendly with these type of apps. Now, the last e-payment mode is electronic fund transfer, also called as EFT. The electronic transfer of money from one bank account to another without any paper or ATM is called as EFT. The examples used over here are salary credited by an employer to employee's bank account, as well as mortgage payment on specific date of a month are the best examples of EFT. I hope you have understood the topic different types of e-payment systems. Thank you.